gosh, this is so pretty. The cool thing about this unit is so full. This is a full unit. It looks like 4 bundles. Good morning, guys. Another week, another wig. So this is the unit. When I tell you I like this hair, it kind of gives you a, I don't know if it's yaki, but it feels like a yaki texture here. I'll leave all the information down below. This is straight out the pack, guys. I'm not doing anything with it. It comes with this little curly, like little roller. It also comes with a strap in the back. And also with the like bra hooks thingies. I'm gonna tighten it up because y'all, my head is small. So I have to tighten it all the way up and put both of them in, both of the straps. I like to put it in the middle hole just so it can fit nice and snug. This is gonna be a like a throw on unit. So I love me a good throw on unit, girl. Right out of the pack. Nice and snug on my head. This is like a, I think this is a 7x5. 7x5. Okay, that looks really nice. Now I'm gonna just take, oh, this fit really snug on the head. I'm gonna take a little bronzer just to make the lace match my skin a little better. That's all you have to do. Just add a little product to the lace, y'all, because it's not like a tinted lace. I always use a bronzer, a shade a little darker, because around my hairline I normally bronze. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Like, this is giving like Farrah Fawcett type of vibes. Lace, y'all. It's like really snug to my head. I was thinking, do it have a comb? No, it don't have a comb. So you could put like a bobby pin in it if you want to, just to make it fit like a little snug, more snug on the side. Oh, this is pretty. This is a cute little throw on. So let me curl it. I think I want to put like a little bit of a softer curl in it. So let me go get the let me plug my hot curlers up so I can like get it to like fit my face. Just calm it down a little bit, but this is really cute. Okay guys, so here is the hair after the curls kind of dropped a little bit. All I did was use the hot comb to make sure the top was nice and flat, which it is. It's really flat, y'all. And I feel like it would have been flatter if I would have like split my real hair with like put a part here just to make it flatter. But this is definitely a it girl hairstyle. So pretty. I don't like my hair to be super curled, so I am so glad that the curls kind of felt a little bit, because I don't like my hair to look too done. But this is so pretty, y'all, and this is not glued down. I literally took a little bit of spray and I just sprayed it right here just to hold it a little bit so it don't slip back. I'm trying to go for like that 2x4 look, I think it's 2x6 closure look that all the girls been wearing, with just the middle part closure. But this is a full 7x5 closure. And then I love the way they framed the face. I really like that, because like when it comes to middle parts, it has to be framed right, or I just feel like it looks silly on me when I do middle parts and it's not framed. So I'm just taking my little curly iron and just put like that little hump up in here just to make it look like more done. Alright, so this is the only clip I could find really quickly. So I'm just gonna clip it up. This is so cute for like a throw-on unit. But the thing about it, it's still a little dolled up. This clip is probably too big for the look that I'm going for. I would want something a little bit more, just a little bit more classy when it comes to my clip, like one of my little gold clips. You can go to dinner with this. It's really cute. You can go to Pilates, to the gym. So this can be a new work wig. It's really cute. I love a like messy, effortless type of look. Really cute. It don't have to be this messy. It's just my clip is kind of too big. Like a smaller clip would kind of clip the hair a little bit more. But you guys get the point that I'm making with this hairstyle. Really cutesy. Of course, you could wear it down and just be that girl. I always do this just to make sure that this is a glueless unit. So we're gonna pull it off, okay? And we're gonna put it back on, okay? That's the whole point. Tighten the straps. I always like to show y'all this. When the companies claim that these units are glueless, it's like, okay, let's see if it's really glueless. Let's see if it's really glueless. Can we go? Can we put this on and go? And I would say absolutely. You can definitely put this on and go about your day. I don't know, something about a part down the middle just gives grown woman vibes. Very grown and sexy. And the cool thing about this unit is so full. This is a full unit. It looks like 4 bundles. It don't look like, you know how some units are thin? This is nice and full because it's like that yaki texture hair. So make sure you guys check out Nadula. I'll leave everything down for this unit down below. Let's get back into this video.